अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू रब्बिश शरह ली सदरी वयस्सिर li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. This is verse number 84 and 85 of Surah Baqarah. This is a bit lengthy verse, so we'll not be taking grammar today. Okay, so now let's start. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ. Now here again Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reminding the children of Israel. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا, and أَخَذْنَا, wa means and, is means when, and when أَخَذْنَا, we took, Misakakum, your misak, your covenant, okay, and when we took covenant from you, La tasfikuna, what was the covenant? Again, in the last two verses, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was reminding one covenant, that you have to deal goodly with the parents and you have to believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that was one covenant, okay. Now here again Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala again reminding one of the covenant which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took from the children of Israel. So this is the second covenant. What was the covenant? The covenant was La, not tasfikuna. Ta and Wanun will give the meaning of you all. Seen for ka is the root word here, means you will shed blood. Okay, not you all will shed blood, shed dima'akum, your blood. Okay, not you all shed your blood. Wala tukhrijuna, and not tukhrijuna, ta and wawnun, again it will give the meaning of you all. Kharaja is the root word here, means to remove or to exile or to evict. Not you will evict. Anfusakum, yourselves. Min diyarikum, from your. This kum gives the meaning of your. Diyar means houses or homes, from your homes. Now see, here your means your people, children of Israel only, okay. So not you should shed your blood means you should not kill or you should not fight among yourselves, and not you should exile your people from your homes. Summa, then aqrartum, then when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took this covenant from the children of Israel, then aqrartum, this tum gives the meaning of you. Aqrar, ratified, then you ratified, okay, then you accepted that covenant, then you ratified. Wa antum tashhadun, while you were, antum tashhadun means you were bearing witness, okay, and you ratified while you were bearing witness. So summa, then, now this is the next verse. Then this was verse number 84. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this kum, see this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here is saying that you children of Israel, you are one community, okay? So you should not kill yourself and you should not evict one means your people from your homes. So this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saying that to the children of Israel. Summa, then you ratified, okay, this covenant you accepted, you ratified this covenant. Then antum, you, haulai, you are those people. See, this is for the emphasis, you, this is again pronoun and this is also demonstrative pronoun. You are those people, okay, so this is for the emphasis. Then you are those people. Taqtuluna, ta and wawnun, this gives the meaning of you all. Qatala is the root word here, means to kill, okay, then you are those people, you used to kill. Anfusakum, yourselves, you yourself, you used to kill yourselves. Wa tukhrijuna, yourselves means your people. Wa tukhrijuna, and you all, see, ta and manun, you all, kharaja is again root word here, you all used to exile or evict. Fariqam, a party, minkum, from amongst you, a group from amongst you. Min diyarihim, from their diyar means homes, from their homes, okay. So tazaharuna alayhim, tazaharuna means you all, this ta and wawnun again gives the meaning of you all. Zohara is the root word here, means to back up someone, okay, or to support someone. Zohara is the root word here. Its actual meaning is back. Translate this verse word to word, then I will explain you so you'll understand. You all support one another against them with the sin and the transgression. Wa iyatukum, and if ya'atukum, they come to you, usara, as captives, tufaduhum, you all you all ransom them. Wahuwa muharramun. See, now let me give you a brief idea of this. Actually, what happened? These children of Israel, there were 12 tribes. Okay, so these tribes, for some issues, they used to fight among themselves. So when they are fighting among themselves, they are children of Israel. So what they are doing? They are killing each other only. Okay, so here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that you are killing yourselves. Taqtuluna anfusakum, you are killing yourselves. Watukhrijuna, a party from amongst you, and you all used to exile a party from amongst you. Min diyarihim, from their homes. Okay, so when the two tribes are fighting each other, then they are taking the help of the other non-Israelites who are living around them. So this thing happens when the two people are fighting among themselves. So they call for help. Others also. So when they come to help, so what is happening? These non-Israelites, when they are winning, they used to take captives the Israelites only. Okay. So when the Israelites are captives there to the non-Israelites, then what they think, the Israelites, that these 12 tribes, the people of their 12 tribes, they think that now we have to ransom and we have to collect the ransom money, and we have to give them the ransom money, and we have to take our Israelites back. This is why they are thinking, because in their book, in the book of Torah, it was prescribed unto them that whenever the Israelite is a captive, then you have to ransom them and you have to take them back. So what they were doing, they were accepting a part of the book and they were disobeying a part of the book. In that same book, it was written, it was taken the covenant that you should not shed your blood, you should not exile your people from their homes. Okay, and the same thing was written that when there is a captive, the Israelites is a captive to someone else, to the non-Israelites, then you have to take them back. Okay, so what they were doing, they were following the second part and they were disobeying the first part. So this is the thing which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is explaining here. Then, okay, let me revise this and then I'll continue with further. Then you are these, you all used to kill yourselves and you all used to exile a party from amongst you, from their homes. You all used to support against them with the sin and the transgression. And if you all used to support one another, okay, against them with the sin and the transgression, and if they come to you as captive, you all ransom them. Wahuwa, while it was, this verb we can take the translation as while, wa means and it was muharram, it was forbidden. Haram word you can see here, haram mim is the root word here, and it was forbidden alaykum, upon you, ikhrajuhum, their eviction. Okay, their eviction only was forbidden upon you. Afatu'minuna, so here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that, oh, this how I will go in question. Do, fa means then, tu'minuna means ta and waw noon will give the meaning of you all. Amana is the root word here, means believe. Do, then you all believe. Bibazil kitab, with the part of the book, with the part of the book or in the part of the book. Watakfuruna bibad, and waw noon again gives the meaning of you all. Kafara is the root word here, means to disbelieve. Kafara, disbelieve. And you all disbelieve bibad, in the part. Okay, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking to the children of Israel, do you believe a part of the book and you disbelieve a part? Fama jazao. So now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that, then what will be the recompense of the one who, man means who, min means from, man means who, then what could be the recompense for the one who yafalu, he does zalik, that, minkum, from amongst you. So now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking, or he is saying that, then will be the recompense from amongst you who does that, except khizyun, except disgrace or humiliation, fil hayatid dunya, in the life of the world, وَيَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ, and on the day of resurrection, yuraddu, ra dada is the root word here, means they all will be returned towards the severe punishment. Okay, towards the most severe punishment. Ashad is the third degree of comparison. Okay, towards the most severe punishment. Wamallah, and not wa and na, not and not Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bighafil, unaware of what? Amma is addition of an plus ma, about what? Ta'malun, and wawnun means you all, amala means do, what you all do. See, now this verse is, let me revise this verse again. I hope the concept behind this is clear to you all. Okay, if not, then please do ask me in the comment box. Then I will explain you just the concept again. And when we took your covenant, La, not you all will shed your blood, and not you all exile yourself, or you evict yourself from your homes. Summa akrartum, then you ratified while you were bearing witness. Okay. Summa antum, then antum, you are these or those who you all used to kill yourselves, and you all used to exile or evict a party from amongst you from their homes. Tazaharuna, you all support each other against them with the sin and the transgression. And if they come to you as captives, usara means captives, you all ransom them. Wahua, while it was forbidden upon you their eviction. So do you all believe a part of the book, and you all disbelieve a part? So what could be the recompense for the one who he does that amongst you, except a humiliation in the life of the world, and on the day of resurrection, Qiyamah, day of resurrection, they all will be returned towards the most severe punishment, and not Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is unaware of what you all used to do. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.